Alright, this is the job that I was leaving for last. I thought it's not gonna happen to me, like we all do. These are the carburetors from said bike. Now, it took me a while. I've seen this clip online with this guy, yeah, cleaning all 4 carburetors under an hour. Fucking hell, I don't know. Yeah, it took me an hour to get it out of this engine, really. I'm not sure if these are supposed to be hard or they're supposed to be rubbery or whatever, but it took a long time for me to get the fucking thing out. Which brings me to the idea that since I have it out, maybe I should like wash this or at least paint this cap, if not the whole engine. Right. Going back to the carbs, there's 2. They're made by a guy called Mikuni. I'm making this clip more for myself so I know where she went, so I can refer back to. So these things are the choke wire thingies. It's got these plungers things here, and then on one of them, I don't know if you can see, but the rubber end is kind of rusty, so I'm thinking, I don't know how to change it. I should change it. Now these are the fuel lines, these 2 right here. They go one in here and one in this longish pipe over there. This is the vacuum hose that goes to the fuel tank, and then this is the throttle hose. Yeah, retarded. And then this is the screw to like balance them. Lucky for me, it's really long and I can get to it. I think I can, or at least I can without the filter box on. Which brings me to my next question. It took me fucking half an hour to get the stupid filter box off, because this bike is nice, I like it, but stuff like this just pisses me off. There's no room there to get stuff out. I had to so that's one part of the filter box. This is the other one. To get this fucking thing out, oh man. But I guess welcome to bikes, right? There's no space. Cool. I'll be attempting to clean this. What I'm using is this Prime Shine carb cleaner. So first thing, there's these things. Take them out and put them in a pan. Right, this is how it looks with one of these off. So that's the radiator cap thingy. There's a gasket there. So once you remove these 4 screws of this thingy, you take this off, and you got sorry, drop my glasses. You got the floater thingy, that one and that one that you remove from this. There's this pin here that gets removed really easily. So you take this pin off like that.
This is 107.5 Switch Radio.
It should come out really easy. Put it aside. Take the floater away. Don't put carb cleaner on the floater because it's plastic and it's gonna eat it. I know because I had this plastic tray somewhere where the carb sat, and upon applying carb cleaner it started to melt, so I got red plastic whatever on it. For some reason these hairs on the toothpaste don't melt, so that's cool. I don't know what this is yet. It might be something from the other side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this apart. There's two more things there. I'll probably have to take those apart also. Yeah, this there's a reason why I left this job for last, because it's hardcore. But if the first one seemed clean, check this one out. What the fuck happened here, right? There's some shit in there also. No wonder this bike didn't start. A good practice is to keep the shit as you take it out, keep it in the same position, kind of, where you take them, you know what I mean. Just take them out from the left, put it on the left there, take them out from the right, put it on the right there, just so you can remember where stuff goes. The next day, this is how it looks, dismantled and cleaned. Shut the fuck up, please. Yeah, so that's how it looks cleaned and everything. I'm debating if I should leave it black like the original or just make it shiny gray like, you know, it's supposed to be. Okay, so the circly bits. I failed to mention that those brass bits inside, you need to take them out and clean them also. It's really important you do that. Otherwise the bike won't start, and no matter how much you clean this carb, those are the main jets that you need to take out and clean. Cool. The thing is, there's a lot of paint chips coming in and out, and I had to like super spray it to make it clean. Make sure you don't mix up these jets with these jets like I did, like a dumbass. So that's the jets that go here, and that's the jets that go inside the carb. And if you do become a dumbass, you can use like some network wire, and you just like make like a little hook and work your way out. Fucking hell. Right, let's see when we assemble it if it works. Her name is Eve, and she lives.